அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Welcome to Satish Science Teacher YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the bookwork evaluations from Standard 8 Science Book Unit 12 Atomic Structure. So don't skip anywhere in this video. Please watch it continuously and completely. If you are visiting the first time in this YouTube channel, that is Satish Science Teacher, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. And do not forget to touch the bell icon which is next to subscribe button. Then only you will get all the notifications from us as soon as released. So atomic structure. So what is atom, as you know, and how the atoms are constructed, because this atom has a central mass, that is nucleus, that contains protons and neutrons. That nucleus is surrounded by various shells. That shells are occupied by electrons. Electrons are negatively charged particle of the atom. Protons are the positively charged particle of atom. Neutrons are the neutral particle of the atom. So this is the basic structure of atom, and let's see the bookwork evaluations. So points to remember, I think this is very useful to you. An atom consists of elementary particles like proton, electron and neutron. The discharge tube used in the experiment is now referred as the Crookes tube or cathode ray tube. It is a long glass tube filled with gas and sealed at both ends. So different atoms have different combination capacities. The combining capacity of an atom is known as valency. So what is valency? It is a combining capacity of atom. The chemical formula is the shorthand notation of a molecule of a substance that shows the actual number of atoms of each element in a molecule of a substance. In naming a compound containing a metal and non-metal, the name of the metal written first and the name of the non-metal obtained by adding the suffix id in its name. So balancing the chemical equation is necessary to show the law of conservation of masses may be obeyed. The law of conservation of mass states that during any chemical change, the total mass of the products is equal to the total mass of the reactants. So this is the glossary from this lesson. I think anode is a positively charged electrode. So anode means positively charged electrode. Cathode means negatively charged electrode. So chemical formula is a representation of a substance. And next one is molecular formula. Precipitate. Precipitate is an insoluble solid that emerges from a liquid solution. And the product, a substance that is formed as a result of the chemical reaction, is the product. And reactant means a substance that takes part in the chemical reaction is the reactant. What is valency? Valency is a combining power of an element. The especially is measured by the number of hydrogen atoms it can displace or combine with. So these are the glossary about this. Okay, let's see the textbook evaluations. So choose the best answer. The same proportion of carbon and oxygen in the carbon dioxide obtained from different sources proves the law of definite proportion. Cathode rays are made up of negatively charged particles. In water, hydrogen and oxygen are combined in the ratio of dash by mass. By mass, it is 1:8. Which of the following statements made by the Dalton has not undergone any change? All atoms of an element are alike. So, this is இன்ன வரைக்கும் யாருமே மாத்தல. In all atoms of an element, the atomic and the mass numbers are same. So, atom is the smallest particle of an element. An element is composed of same kind of atoms. An atom is made up of proton, electron and neutron. A negatively charged ion is called anion, while positively charged ions is called cation. Electron is a negatively charged particle. Electively negative charged. Okay, so electrons வந்து electively negative. ஏன்னா அதில் வந்து மைனஸ் சிம்பிள் தான் இருக்கும். The proton is deflected towards the negative charged plate. So positively, negatively கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து negatively charged plate. Because proton is a positive particle. So positive particle is always attracted towards the or going towards the negatively charged end. So that's all about. Next, match the following. So law of conservation of mass is proposed by Lavoisier. Law of constant proportion is proposed by Joseph Proust. The cathode rays Sir William Crookes. So that's why the cathode rays are otherwise known as Crookes ray. Anode rays are nothing but the Goldstein scientist name, and the neutrons are James Chadwick. Neutrons are invented by James Chadwick. So see this, CO stands for carbon dioxide, N2O is nitrous oxide, NO2 is nitrogen dioxide, PCl5 that is phosphorus pentachloride. Penta means 5. So phosphorus pentachloride. So that's all about the bookmark evaluation from this lesson. So thanks for listening without any skip. And if you are visiting the first time in this YouTube channel, that is Satish Science Teacher YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do share with your friends. So thanks for listening. Thank you.